Hello, good day. Welcome to the 9th November vlog. My journey is doing my very first game. As you can see here, I booked it on the battle scene with main team players beyond. I mainly focus on creating the grid. So, as you can see here, I set up the UI. I am planning to do some changes like resizing and moving a bit to make it look nicer, and adding the final theme to here. But when you play the game, something that you will notice are these numbers appearing on the grid. During this week, I looked at how to make a grid, but since I wanted to make it isometric, I had to figure out how to change it into isometric. So far, what you can do when you play is when you press a button, you will get its title, section, just say section, and the description of what each of these buttons is about. Big, the items you have in big, all magical attacks, all blocking moves, all physical attacks, and moving on the board. And so far, when you click on a spell, we just set the value to 22. If you take a look at the scene, I was able to make it into isometric and get that each block is covering one square. So it's easy for me to change the map and add more squares and it'll change blocks. The code itself, I mainly went online for it. I think most credit on helping me learn goes to codemonkey. But the thing that changed the most was the sort Y and X, and the changing to get both position and get the X and Y. Because since this is isometric, I have to change it to isometric, and the start X and Y is to make sure I get it to the position I want it to be. And instead of the graph always starting at 0, 0, I can get it to start where I want it to start, which is this position. My goal for this upcoming week is to finally add the one thing I wanted to add to the UI. Learn how to do pathfinding. After which, when I know how to do pathfinding, I can move objects around the board and set up attack ranges. What a challenge I want to make sure is that, if we go back to the game setting, when the player clicks the move button, the types of moves the player can do will be displayed here. But whereas attack is to all the physical abilities, and so on and so forth. So that I need to learn changing UI and sets. Anyway, thank you very much for joining in on the survival vlog. See you all next week.